don't do anything. I see so many times that so many people are frustrated with manifestation and personal development. They've been studying for years or even a couple of months, and they have stacks and stacks of knowledge, but they're so overwhelmed with everything going on, they really don't know what to do with the information, and the happiness and the alignment and the progress just really isn't there. Best thing you could do, stop it right there and actually don't learn anymore. Now, almost nobody ever tells you that, right? They say, consume more knowledge, take this course, read this next book, watch this next video, right? But ultimately, it leads to information overwhelm, and you don't even know what to do with the actual information. I've been there many times myself, and one of the best things that you can do is actually just sit down and relax for a couple of days. Really just be at peace with the idea that you don't have to consume more knowledge. It's all about applying the knowledge. Absolutely go to work and run your business or whatever you have going on, but really take a second, instead of studying more knowledge, sit down, say, what can I do to apply 1 to 2 things that I've actually learned in personal development? What can I do today to raise my level of frequency and consciousness? What can I do today to do just a little bit better? And it's going to make all the difference.